Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I'm going to show you rolling in and out prep here on the Cadillac. You can also do this on a tower. So rolling in and out here on the Cadillac and tower is actually several exercises combined. So you'll start to see that in the Pilates practice that as things get more advanced, they're just multiple exercises combined into one exercise. But I wanted, when I created the online PilatesClasses.com flashcard deck for the Cadillac and tower, I actually wanted to incorporate this as one of the cards because it really helped me in my rolling in and out journey. Eventually, you'll let go of this exercise and you'll just do rolling in and out. But you need a rollback bar. You'll set up like you would for rolling in and out, which is, so chest expansion's one arm's distance away, thigh stretches a few inches from there. So that's where you set up, and you want your hands as wide as they can be on the bar. You'll round forward onto all fours, shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. The knees are a hip distance apart. They're squeezing towards each other. And you will pull the bar for the first prep to the knees, and you try not to lean back. And then you reach it back underneath your shoulders. And again, you round your body, and you're trying to keep your hips over your knees and the bar to your knees, and then you reach it back to all fours. And again, so it is very much doing a roll-up shape. If you're struggling with a roll-up shape, it's going to be really helpful, okay? That's the first prep. The second one is coming to all fours, making sure your arms are connected to your back. Round your spine, then you roll up and you roll back down. You lift your waist, you roll up, and you roll back down. So you're not trying to just like come up and down like that. You're trying to stack your spine and then round back down. Stack your spine and round down. It is easy to hang out in the pecs here. So make sure you're pulling that bar apart, connecting your arms to your back. Do your best to keep your hips over your knees. And then as you're ready, you'll just roll that bar into your knees all the way back into a rolling in and out. And then you don't need the prep anymore. If you want to try this in a workout with me, come to onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.